A very good morning to all. As we have studied in now the different laws of indices, we are now going to study how to find the square root of a perfect square. Basically, what do you mean by a square? When a number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained is the square of the number. Same number multiplied to itself. For example, 6 into 6 can be written as 6 square, which is equal to 36. These are the examples of perfect square. That means the same number multiplied. Like see here, minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5 square, which is equal to 25. So now using the square, we are going to find the square root of a perfect square. As we know that perfect square is the same number multiplied to itself. Like for example, 3 into 3 is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. 9 is the perfect square. Now 9 is the square and 3 is the square root of 9. That means when 3 is multiplied, it is written as 3 is multiplied 2 times, we get 9. The symbol for square root you can see. So root 9 is equal to 3, which means it is the square root of 3. Now 8 into 8 is equal to 8 square, which is equal to 64. Now if I have to find the square root of 64 is equal to 8. That means answer is 8. Now minus 8 into minus 8 is equal to minus 8 square, which is also equal to 64. So whether it is 8 or minus 8, the square root can be 8 and minus 8 both. Thus, if x is a positive number, it has two square roots. Of these, negative square root is shown as minus root x and positive one is shown as root x. So now we will find the square root of a given number. Now the square root is 81. 81 can be written as 9 into 9. Also it can be written as minus 9 into minus 9. 81 is equal to 9. Minus root 81 is equal to minus 9. Mostly we consider the positive square root. Now finding the square root by the factors method, we know factors method is basically prime factorization, where a number will be factorized into its prime factors and then we will put them in pairs and then get the equal set of number. And how we will solve? First by vertical method. Let's have a look. Now to find the square, suppose you have a number 144. 2 72s are 144, 2 36s are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. This is the vertical method. Now horizontal method, 144 will be written as 2 into 72, 72 will be written as 2 into 36, 36 will be written as 2 into 18, 18 will be written as 2 into 9 and 9 will be written as 3 into 3. Now we are going to form equal factors from the prime numbers. You can see here 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. We will take one factor from it. 2 into 2 will write 2, 2 into 3. So the square root of 144 is equal to 12. Now you see whether it is vertical method or horizontal method, we basically have to do the prime factorization. Now to find the square root of 1089, you can see 1089. Now since it has 9 in the last units place, it will be factorized with 3. 3 363s are 1089, 3 121s are 363, 11 11s are 121, 11 1s are. Now by the horizontal method, 3 into 363, 3 into 3 into 121, 121 is written as 11 into 11. Again we'll form the equal factors, then we will write it single time. This can be written as square root of 1089 is equal to 3 into 11, which is equal to 33. So this is how we find the square root of a perfect number by the method of prime factorization. I hope I am clear with this concept of square root. Thank you.